Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x divided by square root of x is equals to 1 and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution of this equation and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method, here you see that square root of x is divided by left hand side. We need to move it to the right hand side and it is multiplied by this x and this 1 and it will be written as 1 is multiplied by square root of x. And further here in the next step we need more simplifications and it will be written as x is equals to this is 1 times square root of x is equals to square root of x. So here our target is to find the values of x, so that's why we need to remove this square root sign from right hand side, and for this we will take squaring on both of the sides. So when we take squaring it will be written as in this form. And further you see here this x and this 2 and this square root are gone and this is x square is equals to this will becomes here x only. And further here in the next step we move the x from right hand side to the left hand side and it will be written as x square and this is minus x and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we need to take common x from both of these two terms, and when you take common x we get the remaining values are, so when you take common x from here we get x only, minus when we take common x from here we get 1 only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0 and the second case is we write x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is our first root of the given equation. And now from here we move this minus 1 to the right hand side and it will becomes plus 1. And this is the second root of the given equation. So here we get these are the two roots of the given equation. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is both of these two roots are solution or which of the roots are extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x divided by square root of x is equals to 1. And in this side, we will be verify x is equals to 0. And in this side, we will be verify x is equals to 1. So here, first we verify x is equals to 0. And we substitute x is equals to 0 into the left hand side and it will be written as so this is 0 divided by square root of 0 is equals to 1, and you know about that square root of 0 becomes here 0 equals to 1, and you see here 0 over 0 is usually called that it is the indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, it means that the value of x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So if this value is not satisfied our given question statement, then we call that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay. So this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now here we move towards our second root, and here we substitute x is equals to 1 into the left hand side and we check its behavior. So when you put it here it will becomes 1 divided by square root of 1 is equals to 1. And we know about that 1 divided by 1 becomes here 1 equals to 1. This means that both of the sides are equal. So finally we can conclude about that x equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. It means that x is equals to 1 be the solution set of the given equation. So the given equation has solution set that is x equals to 1, which we get here from first method. And now here in the next step we again solve this problem for second method. So in second method, we need to copy down given question statement here. So that given question statement is x divided by square root of x is equals to 1. This is our given question statement. And here our second method be the very quickest method. So here we quickly get the roots of this equation. So here we just use the help of radicals to find the roots of this equation. So here you know about that this is x, and we know that if you have a number 2, we write this 2 as square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2. Okay, this is the property of radicals. So according to this property, we write over this x as square root of x multiplied by square root of x divided by square root of x. And you see here this square root of x is cancelled out by this square root of x, and this implies that in the left hand side we get only one square root of x, and in the right hand side we get one only. And now here in the next step, because here our target is to find the value of x, so that's why we need to take squaring on both of the sides. So when we take squaring, it will be written as in this form. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we easily get the value of x is equals to 1. So in the second method, we get only one out of the given equation, and that is x is equals to 1. But also in the first method, we already verified that this value of x is satisfied our given question statement. So it means that the solution set of this question is x is equals to 1. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.